Hi children, welcome back to our maths class. Today we are going to start a new lesson. For this first you just look this number patterns. First I have written 1, 2, 3, 4 going on. Then 170, 40, 10. All these are the number patterns. Any special for this number pattern? Just look. Here first number is 1. Then next 2, 3. Then plus 1. After adding 1, you are getting next term. Again if you are adding 1, again you are getting 3. 3 plus 1, 4. Therefore, one common number is adding, you are getting the next number. Here, what will happen here? 170, 40, 10. We are saying about adding only. So, if you are adding minus 30 here, 100 plus minus 30 you are getting 70. 70 plus minus 30 you are getting 40. 40 plus minus 30 you are getting 10. Like that it is going on. Here common number adding is minus 30. Next one is minus 3. Here you want to add plus 1. Minus 3 plus 1 you are getting minus 2. Minus 2 plus 1 you are getting minus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 you are getting 0. Therefore here the common number adding is plus 1. Next one 3. All the numbers are equal. Therefore 3 plus 0. Again, here the common number added is 0. Here minus 1.0, minus 1.5. Here we are adding plus 0. Here we are adding plus minus 0.5. We are adding minus 0.5. Minus 1 plus 0.5, you are getting minus 1.5. Minus 1.5 plus minus 0.5, you are getting minus 2. Here the common number added is minus 0.5. Then, here each number we are getting after adding a constant number to the previous number, then you are getting the next number. All these number patterns comes under the arithmetic progression. Then what does mean by arithmetic progression? Shortly we will say AP. AP means arithmetic progression. In the arithmetic progression, instead of saying the numbers, we are saying each number as each term. Here we will say first term, second term, third term, fourth term, like that. Here we are not using numbers. In arithmetic progression, each number we are calling as terms. Here this is the first term, second term, third term. Here 100 is the first term, 70 is the second term, third term, fourth term, like that we are using term. Then, what is the definition of an arithmetic progression? In an arithmetic progression, each term is getting by adding a constant number to the previous term except the first term. We can't get the first term like that. Then, exceptional case, except the first term, every term of the arithmetic progression we will get by adding a constant number to the previous number. Then like that all number patterns we are calling arithmetic progression. Clear that? A constant number we are adding to the each term, we will get the next term except the first term. And then this constant number we are calling as common difference. Common difference. This constant number is known as common difference. Thus, in the first AP, the common difference is 1 because we are adding 1 to the previous number. You are getting the next term. Therefore, this common difference we are saying by D. The letter D, small letter D we are using for the common difference. First term, I already told instead of number we want to say terms. First term we are representing by first term we are representing by A. Common difference we are representing, that is constant number. What constant number we are using to get the next term, that is known as the common difference. It is denoted by D. Then general form of an AP is general form of an AP is A. A will be the first term. How will you get the second term? A plus this common difference, A plus D. Then next term will be A plus 2D, A plus 3D, etc. This will be the general form of an AP. A will be the first term, D will be the common difference. Therefore, general form of an AP will be A plus B, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, etc. going on. Then, all those AP I have written etc. Therefore, these all are the infinite AP. Therefore, we can't find out the last term. If I am writing this way, 2, 4, 6, 8, etc. I am writing here 36. Therefore, we know the last term. This will be the finite AP because how many number of terms we can find out. This will be finite AP. Thus all will be infinite AP because we can't find out the last term of the AP. Here the last term we got 36. Therefore, this will be limited terms are there. Therefore, this will be the finite AP. This will be the infinite AP. Then clear what you mean by AP? Then a common number will be there. By adding that common number to the previous number, we will get the next number. Like that, number pattern is known as arithmetic progression. Shortly, we can use AP. This common difference normally we are denoting by D, and instead of numbers, we will say the terms. First term, second term, third term, like that. Normally, first term we are representing by A. If you are using the first term A, we can say that A1, A2, A3, etc. AN will be the last term of the AP. Is it clear now? Now we can do some exercise questions related to this. For the AP, first question, for the AP normally we are using short form, arithmetic progression, 3 by 2, 1 by 2, comma, minus 1 by 2, minus 3 by 2. Write the first term and the common difference D. Write the first term and the common difference This is the AP given. Here first term will be 3 by 2. Therefore, first term we can write A or first term. First term is equal to 3 by 2. Then you want to find out the common difference. How you will get the common difference? If you are taking this as A1, A2, A3 and A4. First term, second term, third term. I have taken as A1, A2, A3, A4 like that. The common difference we normally denoting by D. D is equal to. Otherwise, second term minus first term, or third term minus second term, or fourth term minus third term. You will get the common difference. Second term minus first term. Otherwise, third term minus second term, or fourth term minus third term. Every time you will get the same number, then you will get the common difference. I am doing A2 minus A1. A2 minus A1. That is 1 by 2 minus 3 by 2. Then 1 minus 3 means minus 2 by 2. That's equal to minus 1. If you are doing A3 by A2, that also A2 by, if you want you can do that A3 minus A2. A3, what will be A3? Minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2. That also you will get minus 2 by 2. Then also you are getting minus 1. Next successive term, that means next A2 minus A1 or A3 minus A2 or A4 minus A3, you will get the same number. That will be the common difference. Clear? Then next question. Which of the following list of which of the following form an AP if they form an AP write the next two terms. Write the next two terms. Write the next two terms. First question. First one, 4, 10, 16, 22. Second one. Second question, 1 minus 1 minus 3 minus 5. Two questions are given. You want to check, is it an AP? One number pattern is given. You want to check this is an AP. If they form an AP, write the next two terms. And then, if the common difference is same for all this, that means second term minus first term. Thus, I am marking A1, A2, A3, A4. I am looking D. A2 minus A1. That is 10 minus 4. That's equal to 6. Next, again we can find out A3 minus A2. That is 16 minus 10. That is equal to, again you got 6. Again, A4 minus A3. That is 22 minus 16. That also you got 6. Then every time you got D is equal to 6. Then this formula, therefore it is an AP. Therefore it forms AP. It forms AP. Then if it is an AP, write next two terms. Then how you can write, what is the value D? Then next we want to find out 22 plus 6. That will be the next term. That is A5 is equal to 22 plus 6. That's equal to 28. A6 is equal to 28 plus 6. You are getting 34. Therefore, next two terms are 28 and 34. Because you got the common difference 6. Therefore, 22 plus 6, you got the next term, that is 28. Then, one more term you want to find out. Therefore, 28 plus 6, that is equal to 34. Then, these are the next two terms. Then, next question. This is the given numbers, list of numbers. You want to check this form in AP or not. Again, if you want, you can mark this A1, A2, A3 and A4. Then D is equal to A2 minus A1. That is A2 minus A1. That is minus 1 minus 1. That's equal to minus 2. Then again we can find out A3 minus A2. That is minus 3 minus 1. Then subtraction minus is there. This term also negative. Again you got minus 3 plus 1. That's equal to minus 2. Then again you can find out D. A4 minus A3. That is equal to minus 5 minus 3. That is minus 5 plus 3. That's equal to minus 2. Every time you got D is equal to minus 2. Therefore, this also form a AP. Therefore, what is the common difference? 2. Minus 2. Then, what will be the next term? A5 is equal to minus 5 minus 2. That is equal to minus 7. A6 next will be minus 5 plus minus 2. That also you got, minus 7 plus minus 2, that you got minus 9. Therefore, next two terms will be minus 5 plus minus 2 means minus 7. Minus 7 plus minus 2 means minus 9. Therefore, like that you want to do. First, all the terms minusing, that means A2 minus A3, A2 minus A1, A3 minus A2. A4 minus A3 you want to look. All times the D is same, you are getting that forms in AP. If that is AP, you want to find out the next two terms. That means that common difference you want to add the fourth term, you will get the fifth term. Fifth term plus common difference, you will get the sixth term. Is it clear now? Next, one more type question we can look. Next, I am writing which of the following root 2, root 8, root 18, root 32 does it form an AP? Is it form an AP? If it forms an AP, write three more terms. Write three more terms. Just look. First term is root 2. Then root 8 can you write in any other form? You can write root 8 as root of 2 into 2 into 2. Is it possible now? 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 2, 8. Here 2 root 2 we can take as outside. That is one time. That will be its root. Therefore 2 root 2. 8. Root 8 we can write as 2 root 2. Like that root 18. How you can write? 2 into 9. Can you write 2 into 9? Then 9's root will be 3, therefore 3 root 2. Thus instead of this root 8 again you can write as 4 into 2. Then 4's root will be 2, 2 root 2. Like that also you can write. Then root 32. How we can write? Root of 32. 8 into 4. Can you write? Other than that 16 into 2 we can write. Then it will be easy. 16 into 2. Then 16's root will be 4. Therefore that will be 4 root 2. Therefore our AP becomes our AP. That is it form an AP? That you want to check. Our number pattern will be root 2, 2 root 2, 3 root 2, 4 root 2. This is our new form because we can't subtract root 8 minus root 2 direct. That's why we made this in this form. Then D will be, then here this will be A1, this will be A2, this will be A3, A4. D is equal to A2 minus A1. That is 2 root 2 minus root 2. Here root 2 means here 1 root 2. 2 minus 1, that will be, you got 2, root 2. Again, D is equal to A3 minus A2. That is 3 root 2 minus 2 root 2. 3 minus 2, that also 1 root 2. That's equal to root 2. Again, 4 root 2 minus 3 root 2. The 4 minus 3, that's equal to root 2. Every time you got the common difference as root 2. Then you want to, if it is form an AP, you want to write 3 more terms. Then our AP is equal to this way. Then what will be next? 4 root 2 plus root 2. That will be 5 root 2. Next 3 terms. Then our AP will be root 2, 2 root 2, 3 root 2, 4 root 2. Next plus root 2 means that will be 5 root 2. Next will be 6 root 2 and 7 root 2. This will be the next 3 terms of the AP. I will show one more question. One square, 3 square, 5 square and 7 square is given. You want to check this number patterns, list of numbers forms an AP or not. 1 square means you know that 1, 9, 25, 49 it is going on. Then D is equal to 9 minus 1, you are getting 8. Again D is equal to 25 minus 9, you are getting 16. From the second term itself you understood that D is not common, therefore this not forming AP. If it is not forms an AP, no need of finding next 3 terms also, therefore you can stop the, we can write that it is not forming an AP. Next I am doing next topic, that is nth term of an AP. Nth term of an AP. Nth term. Here nth term means n we can give the different numbers 1, 2, 3 like that. Any number we can give the positive numbers we can give there and we can find that. Then I am writing the formula for the nth term. Nth term of an AP is equal to nth term of an AP. Normally nth term we are representing by an. Means n will be the different numbers. If it is n is equal to 1, that will be a1, that will be the first term. If n is equal to 2, that will be second term, like that. Nth term means an. Nth term of an AP, an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into D. This is an important one. An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into D. That will be the nth term of an AP. An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into D. Here a will be the first term. N is the which term you want to find out, that number. If fifth term you are finding out, the n will be 5. If 10th term you are finding, then that n will be 5 minus 1. 10th term, it will be n is equal to 10 minus 1. D will be the common difference of the AP. I will show this through one example. Find the 10th term of the AP, 10th term of the AP, 10th term of the AP, 2, 7, 12. It is an infinite AP. After getting this AP, you want to find out A. What will be the A? A means A is equal to 2. That will be the first term. A is equal to 2. Then you want to find out D. D is equal to second term minus first term. That is 7 minus 2. That's equal to 5. If you are doing third minus second, then 12 minus 7. That also will be 5. Then D value also you got. That next you want to write the nth term formula. Then An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Then here which number? 10th term. Then in the place of 10, in the n you want to give 10. A 10 is equal to A plus, in the place of n you want to give, here n is equal to 10 because 10th term you want to find out. In this place you can substitute 10 minus 1 into D. That is A 10 is equal to A plus 9D. Then substitute the values of A. A is equal to 2. 2 plus D is equal to 5. 9 into 5, that is 2 plus 45, that is equal to 47. Therefore, 10th term of the AP is equal to 47. Then, here 10th term you are finding out, then our formula will be A, 10 is equal to A plus 9D. If you are 15th term you are finding out, 15 minus 1 you will get A plus 14 into D. So, first you want to find out the first term and D value, then substitute. In that formula you will get that nth term of the AP. Is it clear? I will show one more question. Clear this? Okay students, we can meet on the next class.